Welcome to the daily insights that matter. The Union Cabinet has approved an initial outlay of 19,744 crores for the National Green Hydrogen Mission to produce 5 million tons of green hydrogen annually by 2030. Now, green hydrogen is the hydrogen generated by renewable energy or from low carbon power. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy will formulate the guidelines for implementation of the respective components of this scheme. Now, the mission will provide a boost to encourage the green hydrogen industry and will also support pilot projects in emerging sectors. Now, in addition to this, the regions suitable for large-scale production and use of hydrogen will be identified and developed as green hydrogen hubs going forward. Now, the central government expects the National Green Hydrogen Mission to attract investments worth rupees 8 trillion by 2030 and create about 6 lakh jobs while making India a global hub for production, utilization and export of green hydrogen. Green hydrogen has significantly lower carbon emissions than grey hydrogen, which is produced by steam reforming of natural gas. Therefore, the mission would also result in a reduction in the carbon dioxide emission by nearly 50 million tons annually and save India approximately 1 trillion rupees in fossil fuel imports. The mission will additionally enable India to achieve its target of becoming energy independent before completing 100 years of independence and also achieve the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Now, according to the latest RBI data, as of 2nd December 2022, banks posted a strong credit growth of approximately 17.5% over the last 12 months. Now, deposits on the other hand, which had been a cause of concern for most lenders in this year, also grew by 9.9% in the same period. Now, most banks that have declared numbers for the third quarter posted loan growth of over 15% year on year, with leading banks including HDFC, Federal Bank and IndusInd seeing a credit growth of over 19% for the quarter ended in December. Now, the deposit growth also picked up speed as well, with most mid-size and large private sector banks reporting a healthy growth of over 14% from the previous year. Now, the banks, as we already know, have started to aggressively increase deposit rates to garner more deposits to support the loan growth, and this is likely to impact the margins in the coming quarters. Now, the credit growth indicates the rise in borrowings. Credit growth in turn leads to more consumption and investments, which help in creating more jobs. This will eventually result in better earnings and profits as well. Now, subsequently, rising deposit growth will help control the funding costs and meet pent-up demand. Now, deposit growth is necessary for sustainable, profitable growth strategies in a rising rate environment, which is coupled with a strong economic growth. Now, achieving deposit goals is the best way to reduce funding costs while enabling banks and credit unions to meet their lending needs of their respective customers. Now, there has been a steady rise in credit growth in FY23, driven by a variety of reasons such as inflation-induced higher working capital demand, borrowers shift to banks as against other credit substitutes amidst rising interest rates and economic growth. To match this, the banks have started to aggressively raise their interest rates to garner more deposits to support the loan growth. So, what does all of this news mean for you? The Green Hydrogen Mission will create export opportunities and facilitate reduction in the dependence on imported fossil fuels. Additionally, it will help in creation of employment opportunities and development of cutting-edge technology. This will therefore have an indirect positive impact on you. Now, despite global headwinds and a slew of interest rate hikes, credit growth has sustained, while the deposit growth, which was a point of concern, has finally picked up pace due to the aggressive measures taken by the banks. This will therefore have an indirect positive impact on you as well. While I say this is Raj Mehta signing off, wishing you and your loved ones the very best. Thank you.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app Informed Investor to watch more such informative and interesting videos.